Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Miss Bini in America. Today we are making smoked garlic butter shrimp, guys. Join me, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. So here are the ingredients, some of the ingredients here: garlic, onion, and I'm just gonna chop it now. Chop them all together. Look at that purple onion. I like purple onion. So I am going to be showing you how I make this amazing and very easy shrimp. Guys, check up there for the ingredients. I'll be writing the name out. Okay, so we are just adding a pinch of curry powder and garlic powder. So I just add small Italian seasoning, and now I'm adding paprika. So I like paprika for food like this. So yeah, it's very easy and delicious, guys. You can use this sauce to eat anything. Like me, I use it for potato, yam, and rice. So let's see what I'm gonna be using this particular one for right now. So it's coming up, guys. So now we're taking it to the oven. Let it bake for a minute. Look at what I'm gonna be using this sauce to eat. So yummy, look delicious, guys. Yes, we have our rice already. Let's start to dish our sauce. Look at how yellowish that look. Very beautiful, you know. I don't know if that is the name. It look really nice and it smells so good. You all know how garlic can, you know, be when you use it to cook. Look at this. So we use parsley to garnish the soup, and voila, this is what we have. Come and join me, guys. Happy Father's Day. I actually made this for Father's Day. All right, so after church, and then I just like, let's do this 5 minutes cooking. So I decided to take you guys along. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you want to try this recipe, go ahead and try, and please leave your comment, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I read all your comments. Bye bye for now. Let me go and enjoy my Sunday. See you on my next video. Bye.